Vintage air, here we go, guys. Gen 4. This is going to be neat. Were you there when they had this part on the bench and they were running it, had it on high blower, and you could just barely hear it going? Hank, we're going to have to sort them out, which way they go. Here's your high pressure and your suction. Now your heater hoses are the longest. They got to go in first. Now, Bradley, these are going to be longer than the others. So when you get all of them through, you're going to have to pull all of them equally.
Yes, sir.
All right, this one's next, Hank. Let's get it up here like this. There's your AC high side. And here's your AC suction. You got it, Kenny?
I got it.
Okay, Bradley, pull slack out of the heater hoses. And this unit is in the body where the old heater used to be. We'll have to make a new glove box shell. The glove box will be smaller in the car now. The air conditioning unit is in the place where it used to be, so that'll be another little part we'll do to the car. Manufacture a sheet metal glove box liner. Is that it?
That's it.
All right, it has a home.